Hi, David here of Lancaster Automart A2B, Lancaster Mitsubishi and Lancaster Honda. And here we've got a 68 plate Mitsubishi L200 Barbarian. And just to let you know, it will have been serviced again before it goes, and it will be done by, as you can see over there, our Mitsubishi dealership. So just to give you a bit of a walk around of the vehicle, a bit of condition, that's the point of this video. As you can see as well, it's got some nice chunky tyres on it. So down the side of the vehicle there, you can see there's absolutely no issues with the bodywork at all. It's only on 13,000 miles, so I wouldn't expect much wear and tear anywhere, to be honest. You've also got privacy glass on the back. Has got keyless entry, this vehicle, as you can see by the little button on the handle there. Also got some running boards along the side. So if you want to lock the vehicle, as long as the key's in your pocket, just press the button, lock itself up, and then same process to reverse it. And what I'll do is I'll just go around each of the wheels, just show you the condition of the alloys. I mean, they'll all be in very good condition because the tyre's so thick. So onto the front there. As you can see, no issues there either. No stone chips, anything like that on the bonnet. And onto the third wheel. Again, no issues with the wing mirror caps at all. Or on the running boards, doesn't look like they've ever been caught on anything, nothing like that. We've got the fourth wheel. And just work our way around. There's also, just down here, you've got your reverse camera. Also got a tow bar already fitted. It's 13 pin. You've got a little step at the back there. And then moving back round, we'll just open the vehicle up, as you can see. I'll just show you the back. So with it being a Barbarian, you do get a nice interior on this one. There's also rubber matting on the floors. You've also got blue illuminated lights down there. You've got cup holders in the middle. Then more often than not, you've got a little bit of storage area here, and usually a tool or two just attached up there. So just push that back for now. And then we'll jump into the front and look at some of the features inside. So you've got electric windows all around. You've also got folding wing mirror button in here, but obviously you don't need it if you just lock the vehicle. You've got your lane departure warning and your stability/traction control. So it is automatic, this one, and with it being keyless entry, it's also keyless ignition, so as long as the key's in the vehicle, it'll start itself. And as you can see, you've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, and you can shift gear yourself from there. You've also got paddle shifters just up here. Staying on the wheel anyway, you've got all your cruise control settings just here. You've got all your music and audio ones on this side. And you've got your phone controls just below that with your voice recognition button. And you've also got automatic lights, which are already set there. And you can just catch it right, automatic wipers too. So onto centre display here. You do get quite a lot of options, so what I'm going to do is just skip through a couple of screens and you can have a bit of a look at that in your own time. You can pause it if you want. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of ways to connect your devices, and it's quite a nice and responsive screen as well, very easy to see, does quite well with glare. And just below that you've got all your climate controls. It is dual zone, so if you just change the passenger side, it'll do it automatically and it'll sort itself out, it won't sync up with the driver's side. However, for now we'll just turn that off. Just below that then you've got your hazard warning light. And then you've got your heated seat buttons here. And a little USB socket there. And then there is another one just underneath there as well, alongside, if I can get the angle right. One moment, swap hands here. So you've also got your HDMI port just down there. And then above that you've got your 12 volt socket. So it helps if I point the camera at it. And then down here you've got your drive mode control, so you've got 2 high, 4 high, 4 high with lock diffs, and then 4 low lock diffs. And then you've also got a little ashtray there that is removable if you want the 2 cup holders instead. And under the centre armrest you've got a little sort of tray, quite a nice place to keep your phone. And then under that a little bit more storage alongside another 12 volt power outlet. So you could charge something under there and keep it out of the way. And then just before I finish up this video, we'll go through the glove box and then go over to the bed because it has got a mountain top roll on it. So I'll just move the book pack out of the way. Photos of the service history will be in the photos on Auto Trader. if you want to have a look at those in your own time. And locking wheel nut is in the glove box there. So I'll just stop the engine, we'll just hop out and go to the bed. So with this, you just pop the button down, it slides itself open. It's also got soft opening, so you can't slam it on yourself or hurt yourself. So it is quite an expensive cover, that one. Quite good to be getting it with the vehicle, obviously. And this is attached to pull it back, so you don't have to go climbing in to get it closed again. So if there's any other info you want, or something I've not covered in this video, don't hesitate to get in contact with us and we'll see how we can help you out. Thanks, take care, bye.